Hello everyone, how you all are? I hope you all will be fine. Today we will be starting the next video of the lesson that we have started, pronouns, number, gender and case. There were 10 types of pronouns were there. I am telling you. Uh, just a minute. There were 10 types of pronouns. In the previous video I explained about personal pronoun, and I told you that personal pronouns refer to the different persons. First person, about the person who is speaking. Second person, the person to whom something is being spoken. And third person, about whom something is told. Suppose that he, she, it, they, these types of. So we have discussed about the personal pronoun in the previous video itself. Second is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, everybody knows possessive is the word that has made of the word possession, and possession means someone's right, someone's ownership. Sometimes you say in the you see in the news that the court has ordered to leave the possession of the government residence for the former MLAs. Possession means someone's ownership, right. So possessive means the things which show the ownership. Suppose that and possessive pronouns, if we are using, we have to see about whom we are using the possessive pronoun, and it comes in which person. Possessive pronouns, it will be coming for any person only, and for which person it is coming. Suppose that if I am saying about myself, if I say this pen is mine is telling about the possessive pronoun. One thing I want to clarify, that if you can say that, sir, this is my pen and this pen is mine. What is the difference between these two sentences? This is my pen, first sentence, and this pen is mine, this is the second sentence. What is the difference between my and mine? See, my is the adjective, because my is telling about the quality of the noun pen, my pen. About the quality of the pen, my word is telling. So my is the adjective, but if I am saying this pen is mine, then it will be acting as a personal pronoun. This is his pen, it will be adjective, his is adjective. But if I say this pen is his, it will be pronoun. Suppose that if I say this is her pen, no, her is adjective. But if I say this pen is hers, HERS, then it will be a pronoun. So be very clear. There is a very minor difference between an possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Many people are confused about possessive pronoun and possessive adjective, but this is the very minor difference between that, and you should keep it in your mind. So first person, mine, and if it is singular, plural will be ours. Second person, singular will be yours, and plural will also be yours. And third person, his if it is male, and hers if it is female. And plural, if I am coming, we will not see male or female, we will use only theirs. THEIRS. Don't write THERES, that is wrong. THEIRS, it is for persons, THEIR, and THERE, that is for places. So be very clear about that. Now we will be coming out on page number 30, and C exercise is there. Page number 30 and C exercise is there. We have to fill suitable personal or possessive pronoun. Personal also we have understood, and possessive also we have understood. So we will do this exercise. So first is dash am worried about his health. What will be here? Which personal pronoun will be there? I am worried about his health. Am is there, so I will be here. I am worried about his health, and I is personal pronoun. First person, I is first person. Dash wanted to talk to him about. Suppose that if I say he wanted to talk to him about her. So these both the things are both these words are of third person, he and her, isn't it? Because they are third person. He wanted, I am saying this thing to anyone, that he wanted to talk to him about her. So these both the words it will be of third person. Third is that book of dash has become very popular. That book of, we can write here his also and hers also. that book of his or hers, both is correct, has become very popular, isn't it? So just a minute. So this is uh, this book of his hers, both, because it is ownership being expressed here. His also is book. This book of his means it is someone's book, na, so it is describing about the ownership. It will be his book also, it can be hers book also. Here you can say, sir, why you have not written hers here, her? Yes, why you have not written, why you have written her? Because this her is not a possessive pronoun, it is a personal pronoun, person. Third person is, it is used here. If I would have used as a possessive pronoun, then I would have used hers here. But I am using it as a personal pronoun, not the possessive pronoun. That is why here hers, her will be there. And here, because about book is it is being told, it is a possession being shown. That is why I have used here hers, hers. Fourth is, I bought my dress from the nearby store and she bought hers. See here, hers we will write, because it is again possession being shown. Of which thing possession? Of dress. She bought her dress. Hers dress means she bought hers. It will not be her, because it is not being used as a personal pronoun, but it is used as a possessive pronoun. So we will write here hers. Fifth, the horse is not. The house is not his. The house is not his, but mine. The house is not his. It is the possession being shown na, about the house, whose ownership is on the house. So this house is not his, third person, but mine, first person. Possessive pronoun is also used as the personal pronoun, changing their form. Now my dog is very active. Then it can run around for houses. It can run. You can say, sir, why you have used it? It comes for non-living things, and dog is the living being. Yes, you are correct. But for very small creatures like dog, cat, we use it only. So it, and it is personal pronoun. It will come in third person. Seventh, Dash got our prizes for winning the competition. Dash got our prizes for winning the competition. So we will write here we. We got our prizes for winning the competition. And eighth is, her music performance made forget everything. Made us forget everything. Again, it is the personal pronoun, that is of first. Means it is plural of first person plural. It will be similar, means we and us. These are the plural of the personal pronoun in first person. So that's all for today, and have a nice day. Do the homework and send it by tomorrow, so that your presence will be marked, should be marked. Thank you and have a wonderful day.